Good morning to you. Good morning, Mr. Butchog. Kaka-doodle-doo. 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 Bilis bumangon. Ay, good morning to you. Oh, you didn't want to sleep pa last night. Hmm? Yeah. Are you tired? Huh? Are you still sleepy? Oh my. What are we gonna do to school today? Good morning. Good morning.
It's the antenna.
It's a what?
It's antenna.
And na?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gising na. Magandang umaga. Magandang umaga po. Magandang umaga is good morning. Hmm? Oh my gosh. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning, Mr. Rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Good morning to you. Morning, guys. Kids are here in my room. Because last night,
Ethan was crying.
Aiden was crying. He wanted to sleep in Mommy's room last night. But, he don't want to snuggle with Mommy. He want to snuggle with Ate. So, nagdala sila ng mattress dito sa room ko kasi gusto ni Aiden. Doon pa rin sila sa mattress nila. Sa pillows, with their pillows and their covers. And ayaw niya matulog sa higaan ko. So, sabi ko doon sa dalawa ng ate niya sa higaan ko, ako dito sa baba ayaw. Kasi ayaw niya daw ng bed ko. So cute, love. Did you sleep well?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna sleep in your room tonight, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Totoo ba? Wait. Whose turn is it today?
Ethan.
Your turn for story time. It's your choice. It's your time to choose a story tonight, huh?
My story is Dr. Seuss. By Dr. Seuss. The story is Dr. Seuss ABC.
Huh? You can only get Dr. Seuss ABC after you do your routine, okay?
Okay.
Okay. What's the first thing in a routine? What's the first?
Wash up.
Yeah, wash up, shower. But you showered last night. Wash up is fine. Hmm? Don't know. It's downstairs. Butler came here. He's downstairs. You can say good morning to him if you like. Huh? Morning, Bob. Morning. Ate. You okay? Oh, move na. Maybe Ate needs my hug. Move. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Sir? Sir? Excuse me? Ang aga ko nagising this morning. I think I woke up around 4:30, 4:15, mga ganon. From a dream. Alam mo yung natutulog ka para magpahinga, but you woke up even more tired because in your dream, you were so stressed and busy and stuff. In my dream last night, nagpunta tayo sa airport. Kasama natin si Daddy. Mukha na rin. Kasama natin si Daddy sa airport. Tapos, may pupuntahan tayong ibang bansa. And I have to fill out ng mga forms. Kailangan ko mag-fill out ng mga forms. And then, lagi ako nagkakamali. I keep making mistakes. And over. Tapos, parang mga nasa third, tapos yung staff na dapat mag-aasikaso ng ticket natin. Ang tagal! Eh, parang meron lang tayo 30 minutes. Eh, immigration pa. Tapos, pupunta pa sa gate. So, sobrang stress ako. And then, hinanap nila, nasan po yung passport niyo? So, nasan yung passport? Daddy said. And that's all Daddy did. Give me the passport. But everything else, I was doing myself.
Wow!
Tapos, nagising ako. And I was so tired in my dream. Because of the luggage, you and Aiden, everything. So, I thought I would get, pahinga? Or rest on my sleep. No, I did not. I did not get rest. What I got is stress.
I
You go to school and see Teacher Bong and Heaven and your friends. Huh? You can play with your friends and learn your letters. I'll pick you up at 10 and then I'll bring you to Teacher Ja. Yeah. And then after Teacher Ja, we go home. We can have lunch.
You can go get Dr. Seuss ABCs.
After Kuman.
Come on, time. With Ate Lily. Get Dr. Seuss ABCs. Eat dinner with Dong Dong.
Dinner with Dong Dong.
And
You have to check it, Dong Dong, because he's gonna leave soon. Meron pa yan silang dalang popcorn kagabi. May popcorn kami. Anyway, good morning. Today is Monday. Happy Monday.
Monday? What means Monday?
I'm gonna show you this week, guys, kung ano yung ganap namin every single day. So I will try my best to vlog and show you our daily lives, kung ano yung ganap namin. Why I couldn't even begin to start vlogging daily again. Maliban sa marami tong schedule. Si ate din. And then, may mga school activities pa madalas. But, luckily today, wala. Meron lang therapy si Aiden. Speech niya today. Let's go na! Come on! Ta-da-da-da-da-da-da. Time for? Time for? Time for what? Shower. Come on. Come on.
Teacher, shower.
You have your daddy's lips. Ano ba yan? Why do you have your daddy's lips? Wow. So handsome naman. Daddy's top lip, mommy's bottom lip. Show me. Ay, Aya. Ayun. Ay. Show me your lip again. Go like this. Show yung nguso. Show nguso. Wala talaga. Same with ate. Daddy's top lip, mommy's bottom lip.
Really?
Yeah. Marami siya kagat ng lamok. Sa face pa. Parang may mosquito bite ka pa sa eye. Ito oh. Did you have that yesterday? You have redness over there?
Yeah.
So you got it from my room? Tara na. Tara na. Shower na tayo.
Hi guys. Now we're going to school. And do you want to say hi to guys, Aiden? Aiden! Today is Brent's birthday. And I'm gonna uniform?
I'm wearing my gym uniform.
Because she's gonna walk.
Gonna go for a walk.
Bye, Mommy.
Bye, love you.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, pause. Bye. Ain't in your bag. Thank you. Doon na sila. Hello. Dito na ako sa parking lot. I'll go for a quick walk. Mga 30 minutes walk lang, okay na. And then, we'll go home and edit a vlog. So, yan yung ating priority for today. Before natin pick upin si Aiden. Because the rest of the day, pag tumungtong na yung 10 o'clock, wala na ako magagawa niyan. That's time na for the kids. Especially for Aiden. So,
I had a dream last night, it was different. It was you and I in faded television. I'm not in love with you, but if I was, here's what I'd do. Here's what I'd do. If I was in love with you, torn up sheets, all the feathers. There's a picket fence somewhere, nothing better. A dose of Chanel perfume and coffee in the afternoon. You way ahead of the side, flip it in the mirror until you get it right. My pillow's in the shape of you. I'm kind of afraid to move. Will you ever know what I went through? Will you wake up in my bed in the afternoon? And I hope that day I still remember it too. Subliminal love. 4, 3, 2,
pulang-pula yung mukha ko, but I've only been walking for like 35 minutes. Grabe, putla. Okay, that's it. We're gonna go for a nice shower.
Ruby shoes, rosy cheeks, skipping down Linden Street. Here's the bird, sings along, joining in their morning song. Big ideas, little hands, dreaming up mighty plans. Waves hello to the sun, a new adventure has begun. There's pirates and princes and crocodile caves, and skies full of ships that the starlight engraves. I lay in my bed and I think of that girl. She held in her world. If she saw us now, I wish I'd make her proud. Tell her the stories of wonders we found. Oh, I need her back, tracing her tracks, following maps so I can catch a flight towards the second star to the right. Blinding lights, chasing dreams, losing time. Life becomes a leaky boat. You're rowing just to stay afloat. The more you live, the more it seems that shine can fade.
You're so sweet. Did you have fun in school? Yes. Answer mama muna. Did you have fun in school?
Yeah.
Did you see heaven?
Yeah.
Was Teacher Bong there?
No.
No, there's a different teacher today.
Teacher Julia.
And then now, we are here to go see Teacher Ja for your speech therapy. Say speech therapy.
Speech therapy. Let's go, Mommy.
No, Mommy will wait for you down here. You go with Yaya, but okay? Wait muna. Wait. Ito te ang bayad. Ay, 1-4 ata yun. I think. Speech kasi. Go.
Mama, did you go upstairs?
Love you, Aiden. Love you.
Don't go.
I'll wait for you. Ayan, just dropped off Aiden in therapy. So, tatapos lang ng kanyang school. Inaan ko lang siya na mabilisan sa
to get some burger. And then, dumiretso na kami dito. Then he finished his burger na lang sa sasakyan. Medyo maaga-aga pa. Actually, parang meron pa silang 30 minutes bago yung schedule ni Aiden. But, andito na kami. And gusto niya nang bumaba. So, naya ako na siyang bumaba. And magkatay lang ako ng saglit maya-maya. I'll go to this aesthetic clinic kasi yung aking friend magpapagluta today. And samahan lang natin siya doon. Malapit lang yun dito. Dito kami guys sa may Springville. So, if you guys want to check that out, you may. They have Hydra facial. Ang gusto ko doon is yung facial nila at saka yung ginawa dati sa arms ko at saka sa face. Diamond peel. They also do gluta sa mga gustong magpa-drip or yung push. Mas maganda daw yung push. So yun yung mapagawa ng friend ko later. So samahan natin siya. But hindi pa ako pwedeng umalis dito until nakapasok na si Aiden sa loob. Kasi sinisilip niya ako dun sa bintana to check kung nakapark pa ako. Pag hindi na ako nakapark, magagalit yun. Kasi nga, saan ako pumunta, ganyan, baka magwala. So, it's best to wait until he is inside na bago tayo umalis. Ako yung pilik mata ko kasi.
Pero makapal na siya.
Wala.
Makapal na nga siya, promise. Kaya nga nabila ko napansin eh. Kaya ako nasabi yung pinagmata ko siya.
Parang mas maganda ako sa iPhone.
Galing ka ano?
Teka, pag sa iPhone. Kasi pag ito, nakakaputi masyado. Tapos parang hindi ako.
Ako, paano mo ako maglalaba? Kamaras lang tayo, 160.
Ito ang Shopee. Shopee, lakas ng loob gumaganto ka. Alam mo, payat eh.
Bagay sa'yo. Ang taba ako, oh. Naku, tayin niyo ako next month. Payat ako.
Ay, at least may before and after.
Yeah.
Yes.
And yung puti ko.
Maputi ka naman.
Yung ako yung glow ko. Glow ko.
Diba?
Tsaka yung...
Alam mo na yun. Ayun, marami daw kasing benefit yung gluta. So,
At ang isang magbe-benefit doon ay si Ma'am.
Doc Mac Pediatrics. Springville.
Yes.
Dito yung link.
Pero pumapayat na ako.
Oo nga eh.
Kung wala na siya, oh. Pero sa naman yung chan ko, kailangan daw medyo paliitin.
Ako parang feeling ko tugtog ko nga yung hypo eh.
Yeah, oo. Hindi, totoo. Nakita ko nga siya sa'yo pag...
Medyo umaano siya dito ng konti, oh.
Gusto ko sana yan kaya lang... Okay.
Model namin. Vlogger. Yes. Ayan. Parang ang cute kasi walking ako kanina. Di maganda yung flow ng vlog, di ba? Sige. Gulat ka. Pero micro-needling na ako sa loob. Hindi ko maano. Tignan na natin. So ito. Yung Ivy Push.
Teka lang muna, wag na yung mukha ko.
Hindi na
Oo,
Ivy
gaganon ako.
Push.
Ganyan, ang mas maganda.
Ito naman, yung mga vlog ko naman, ano lang yan? Regular tao lang naman tayo.
Kaya mas magandang ano?
Okay lang yan.
Sakit siya. Hindi, relaxing. Relaxing to yun. Ang sa likod. Hindi makita yung dead skin kasi maputi siya. Kaya na. Alam mo sis, ano nga, inaano ko oo, sambat. Tsaka nag-ano kasi ako, naghahanda ako ng 48 ko. Siyempre 37 na ako, dapat sa 48 ko, di ba?
Mandayo pa naman ng 3 years.
Dead skin niya, oh. Iba yung texture. Maganda na ba yung dito? Hindi ko talaga ano.
Speech kasi si Aiden eh.
Dali mo ito sa Ellie mo na.
Ala!
Dali mo dito. Dali sa Ellie.
Diretso. Diretso.
Di ba yung schedule niya ino?
Nagpa-cute pa naman ako today.
Ito na.
Ay talaga? Nakakaya ba yun?
Ano?
Ano ba yung meso? Ano ba yung meso life? Anong ginagawa? Buti hindi sa'yo nakatutok.
Ito yan. So ito yan. Ito, dito yan siya.
Parang simula nung di ba, breastfeed, napupunta dito yung taba.
Boobs natin, fats na.
Oo.
Hanggang dito na.
Tapos napunta siya dito. Tapos, since din, pag tumataba siya. Pag pumapayat,
Kasi fats din. Oo. Pag nagpayat ka, ano yan?
Lumilitin siya.
Lumiit siya, pero sag. Oo.
ano ginagawa dun sa meso? Ini-inject?
Hindi na ina-RF, pero ina-RF pa rin. Meso lang.
Ano ginagawa sa meso? Ano siya?
Micro-injection siya.
So, madami?
Ano lang yan, sis? Patingin na. Ano?
Hindi ka baka pawis kasi.
Wala kang pain dyan kasi fats lang yan.
Pat, di ba? Pat lang siya. So, ano yun siya? Ilang ganon? Huwag naman hiwain. Ito naman. Tinanggal yun. Tinanggal. Actually, nakakaloka nga siya kasi ito meron. Ito halos wala.
Yeah, kasi saan ang kanan mo? Ito yung trabaho.
Tsaka pag once na nung papabreastfeed ako, mas malakas dito. So, mas malaki siya.
Ito yung, sa'yo dito ito.
Someone's waking up from... Why so angry naman yan? Wow! Why angry? It's... What time is it?
6:30.
It's time for
Picking up Lily.
picking up Lily na.
Yeah.
It's finished.
Cuddle.
Cuddle time. Did you enjoy your cuddle time?
Yeah.
Yeah, he took a nap, you guys.
I
Mwah.
want abracadabra.
You want abracadabra? You have to pee first. And I'll abracadabra you.
Mommy, wait.
I'll wait for you here. Tago kasi din yung mga libro na gusto niya. Gusto niya daw abracadabra ko. So what book do you want?
Dr. Seuss or ABC?
Is that what you want?
Yeah.
Is that what you really, 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 really want?
Yeah.
Okay, I will give it to you if you get your pants. Okay? Para maggalit siya. Medyo mainit yung ulo niya. Kailangan ko na ito itabi. Baka mapansin pa niya. But it's a 20... Isang set siya na 20 books ng Dr. Seuss. Kasi ito yung pinakit niya. So imagine yung 20 books na siya. So every time na may ayan na, nag-shirt na siya. Come here. Sabi lang.
Abracadabra. Mommy.
You're welcome. Iniwan na niya. So, nanggaling kami sa speech therapy niya. And then, after speech therapy, sabi ko sa kanya, matulog. And then, after nang nap, bibigyan ko siya ng book. So, may mga ganyan kaming moments. So, meron ako mga bala minsan ng mga gusto niya. Tinatago ko. And then, pag meron kaming magandang negotiation, binibigyan ko siya. May mga times din naman na wala, kaya nagigess ka rin naman. So, alam niya na may, na seasonal ito. Seasonal. Magbibihis na ako. I'll just put on. Actually, siguro muna ako magbibihis. Susunduin lang namin si Lily. And then, magbibihis na lang ako pag nasundo ko na siya. Kasi itong aking outfit from my walk this morning pa. Sabi nila medyo parang pumayat daw ako. But the truth is, I think it's all about the outfit. And the outfit natin today. So, hindi na ako magbibihis. Ito na yun. Mag-hat na lang ako. And we'll pick up Lily. Nasaan na ba yung socks ko? Come on, let's pick up Lily, love. Where are your glasses na? Hindi na ako nakapag-lens.
Dr. Seuss, ABC.
Do you like it? Come here. Was that a good color?
No, be blue back
No.
books.
Come here.
Hello! Ayan, so it's time to pick up Lily now. It's time na. Yeah. Medyo late tayo ng 3 minutes. I mean, 3 minutes. 8 minutes actually. Kapag, kasi may biyahe pa tayo ng 5 minutes. So, 8 minutes. But that's fine. Kasi, so I'm sure may mga parents na nakapila, ganyan, na mag-uunahan na mag-pick up ng anak. So doon tayo sa patapos na. Para din naka-set na si Lily, naka-ready na yung kanyang, nabalikan niya na yung MLB niya kung naiwan man niya, yung kanyang water bottle, yung jacket niya. You know, meron siyang time to kind of settle muna bago natin siya pick upin. Dito na tayo. Let's pick up Lily.
Time check, it's 5:48. I feel terrible. Parang medyo lumalala yung ano ko, yung basta parang may burning sensation dito papunta sa ulo. So, I'm just in bed. Pero may ako mababa dyan. Check yung mga bata. May kasama naman sila. But, just to be sure. And yung kids ko nowadays, they play outside. So, may mga kalaro sila doon. Ito, dumating na pala yung order ko. Kasi, meron nga silang friendship day. So, merong nilista na ibibigay sa kids. So, we've got pulbo, cologne, sabon, dinalawa ko na, and then toothbrush na pang kids. Soft. So, nasa yung toothpaste? Parang walang toothpaste. Ba't walang toothpaste? Time check 7:30. Naka-edit na ako na isang video. And nararamdaman ko nagtataasan yung... Alam mo yung pag tumataas yung balahibo sa katawan. Pero nararamdaman ko siya dito sa... Ano ko? Sa... scalp. Tapos giniginaw ako. Hindi mo na ako usually giniginaw. So... This is a sign. I really need to slow down. So I'm going to take another medicine bago matutulog ako na maaga. Kasi... pasok yung mga bata bukas. Naloka lang ako kasi may hindi dumating na kailangan kong bilhin for Lily's friendship day, which is nag-order ako ng toothpaste. Kasi kailangan ng toothpaste. Hindi siya dumating. Pero dumating iba yung mga sabon, mga ganyan. Pero sa toothpaste, wala. So, tatry kong makaka-order ako somewhere else. If not, dadaanan na lang namin bukas sa... Then natin kung saan tayo makadaan tomorrow. Anyway, so proud of myself na natapos ko tong ating first day vlogging of the week. Kasi sabi ko mag-vlog tayo for the whole week. This week, para may pakita ko sa inyo yung mga ganap natin. Kaya lang, unfortunately, may sakit. I'm not feeling well, but ganyan talaga. So tomorrow, may speech si Aiden today. Tomorrow, ABA naman siya. So, yeah.
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing: to grow old with you.